How to carve a whole Jamón Ibérico de Bellota. Place the ham firmly in the ham holder provided by Iberico Club with the mata, or thicker side, facing up. Ideally, let it breathe for a day at room temperature, but it's okay if you can't wait, we get it. With a serrated knife, make a diagonal deep cut into the shank until you hit the bone. Remove the skin and yellow fat from around the area where you'll start slicing the ham. Save 3 or 4 slices of fat to cover the exposed meat surface when you're done slicing. Start slicing your Pata Negra. The knife should always be very sharp. For best results, cut thin, almost transparent bite-sized slices. Make sure to maintain a fat slicing surface to avoid leaving a U-shaped surface. To avoid accidents while carving, make sure your free hand is not anywhere near the knife. Continue carving until you find the hip bone. When you do, insert a small knife to separate the meat from the bone. Now, when you slice around the hip bone, the slices detach easily. Continue slicing, maintaining a flat surface. When you get to the bone in the center of the jamon femur, turn it over to start slicing the narrow side, babilla. Remove the skin and yellow fat from the babilla. Make sure not to remove all of the fat, however. Continue slicing, trying to leave a small layer of white fat on each slice. When you get to the femur bone again, there will still be plenty of jamon to enjoy. Separate it from the bone and cut it into small chunks to enjoy it as an appetizer or add it to a dish. And don't throw away the bone. Make the best Jamón Iberico de Bellota broth you've ever tasted.